Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I will explain how to create a T-shirt mock-up. Attribution and link of image are located in my video description. Enjoy watching. Let's get started. The first step is to open an image you'd like to use. Duplicate the layer by clicking Ctrl+J or by dragging it onto the new layer icon. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Radius 3 pixels is a good choice. Head up to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. Create a PSD file which identifies the depth using the shadows. Go to File, Save As, name the file and save it to Photoshop PSD file. Hide the visibility of the copy layer by clicking on the eye. You will add a design using the Custom Shape tool from the toolbar or your own design. Choose Fill, White. No stroke. Hold the Shift key when creating the shape. You can type text using Horizontal Type tool. Use the Move tool to align the text and design. Hold the Control key, select both text layer and shape layer. Right-click on the layer, then select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Edit, Transform, Distort. Make sure the design is made at the same angle as the body. Click checkmark when you are done. Head up to Filter, Liquify. Use Pucker tool and Blow tool for more harmony with the body. Go to Filter, Distort, Displace, Horizontal and Vertical Scale, 5. Stretch to fit, repeat edge pixels. Click OK. Select the file you saved recently. Change the fill to 0%. Right-click on the layer, select Blending Options. Go to Color Overlay, Linear Burn, select a color you want. To see the before and after effects on the displacement feature, click on the eye to turn the effect off and on. You can see how the shadows make the logo and text blend and add depth. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel.